Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. This video is about a really good news for all the international students. So all the international students who are enrolled for online learning because of this situation, this pandemic, will now be eligible for a postgraduate work permit PGWB, which is there for a period of 3 years. And initially this was not the case. So all those students who were involved, who were into online learning, they were somehow not eligible for this, and obviously they were worried because even after completing their studies they would not be allowed to work in Canada. But now you don't have to worry, and also you can extend or you can renew your PGWP that you already have under a period of 18 months. This basically applies to all those students who are enrolled in PGWP, Postgraduate Work Permit Eligible Program, and for all those who have enrolled themselves during spring 2020 or fall 2021, or also when the COVID started, so in March 2020. So all of you guys, if you've enrolled yourself into PGWP, you are eligible, and of course you need to meet all the eligibility criteria that usually the PGWP postgraduate work permit has. So yeah, it's a great news. Once you finish your studies, you're gonna get a 3-year work permit, and then you can work here and have Canadian experience. Obviously the government over here truly believes that all the international students will bring in different perspective, and it will not only help them in gaining experience but also help the would also help Canada in or the Canadian economy in so many different perspectives, because it will get new perspective from every student entering into Canada. So all the international students who basically have studied from the Canadian designated learning institutions, you should be very happy, because after completing your course you'll be allowed to work anywhere in Canada for any employer for a period of 3 years. So yeah, that's an amazing news. So don't worry, don't lose hope if you feel you're paying all the fees and if you're still sitting in your home country and not gaining anything about any Canadian experience or any atmosphere here in Canada. Then you should be happy about it, that at least after completing your course you will get this 3-year work permit. And also trust me, all the Canadian students here, even they have their classes online, so even they are sitting in a home set, in their homes, and they're learning. So even they don't have any different environment than you do. The only difference is they are sitting here in their home in Canada and you are there in your home country. So it's perfectly fine. It's completely amazing news. So just quickly finish your course and then see you guys soon in Canada. If you want to know what are designated learning institutions for the PGWP, then I'm going to post, I'll leave a link in my description. You can just click and read whatever it is. And if you're not sure about the PGWP eligibility criteria, then let's quickly take a look and see what this criteria is. Okay, so you can get benefit from the scheme if you've enrolled at a Canadian DLI. Like I said, you have will begin a program between spring 2020 and fall 2020, and of course during March 2020 during COVID. You have a study permit or approval for study permit, or you have applied for a study permit prior to starting this program, and you meet all the other PGWP criteria. So yes, so if you meet all these things, this is just a summary of what I have said, then you'll be able, then you are eligible. So let's see what is the PGWP criteria. You have to be completing your studies in an academic, vocational or professional training program that is at least 8 months old, and again study program must lead to a degree. This full-time student status is obviously currently on hold, because you can still be an online student and gain this work permit like I've just told you. This is what this entire video is all about. So don't worry about that you need to have a full-time student status in Canada. Do not worry about it, okay? Then you need to receive a transcript and an official letter from your eligible DLI confirming that you have met the requirements, graduated from a public post-secondary institution like a college, trade or technical school, or university, CEGEP in case of Quebec, a private post-secondary school in Quebec that operates under the same rules as public schools in Quebec. So yeah, all these come under the eligibility criteria for PGWP. Moving on, a private post-secondary school in Quebec, a private secondary or a post-secondary school in Quebec that offers qualifying programs of 900 hours or longer, Canadian private school that can award degrees under provincial law. So Yes, these are your criteria. So if you fall and meet all the fall under all these criteria, meet all these criteria, then you are good to go. Stay safe, guys, and happy learning.